if you want to make a black soap and you want a soaps to can add into your black soap to boost the effectiveness, then this video is for you. Okay, keep watching to the end. You're highly welcome to this channel. If you're a first timer, this channel is all about skincare formulations, product reviews, DIY, so please consider subscribing to this channel, okay? And you are not going to regret it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around, okay? God bless you so much. I'm very grateful for sticking around to my channel, okay? God bless you richly. So in today's video, I'll be talking about soaps you can add into your black soap to boost the effectiveness of black soap. Let me tell you the truth. Yes, black soap is natural. Using black soap alone is not going to whiten you. That's the truth, okay? Unless you just want to maintain your color, yes, that is a different case. But if you want to make an advanced whitening soap, like you want your black soap lover, and you want your black soap to whiten you, give you that whitening effect, lighten you, glow you, then you have to add some soaps to it to boost the effectiveness, or you add powders to it to boost the effectiveness. But if it's using it alone, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I will tell you the truth, it's not going to do that work, okay? I'm going to guide you thoroughly in this video so that anytime you go to the market to get the ingredients for your black soap, you will know which soap to get, okay? So that when you go to the market, you'll not just be confused. Okay, so take your time and watch this video. And all you need is, among all the soaps I'm going to mention, all you just need is to take like 2 or 3 of them, or you can just take one depending on how effective you want your black soap to be, okay? First soap I'm going to share with you is Cottage Fresh Black Soap. This soap is super good. I've made a review on this soap in this channel, okay? In that video I talked about how to activate this soap if you want to use it alone, how to activate it for you to glow your skin. But if you want to add it to your black soap, this soap is super good to add to your black soap, okay? It's ideal to add to your black soap. I won't be talking much about this soap in this video because I've already made a separate video for it. I've reviewed it separately, so I'm going to place the link in the description box. So after watching this video, if you want to know more, if you are buying the idea of adding Cottage Fresh into your black soap, then go into the description box, use where I added the link in the video. Cottage Fresh in your black soap is very good, okay? Even if you don't add other soaps, but you see this Cottage Fresh, only adding it to your black soap, trust me, it's going to work wonders. Cottage Fresh alone is a very good toning soap. If you're familiar with this soap, you can testify to me that it's a very good toning soap. I myself, I've used this Cottage Fresh alone. I've practically used so many products, and when I tell you that this will do this, it will do this, okay? So this Cottage Fresh in your black soap, it's very good if you want to add it to your black soap. If you're making, let me say you're making a 1 kg of black soap, then you can consider adding 1 Cottage Fresh to it, okay? And trust me, if you do it like this with other you will add to it, you will come back to this channel and give me a review. So let's move over to the next ingredient, because I won't talk much about this soap in this video. Go and watch that Cottage Fresh review. So okay, now the next soap you can add into your black soap, people call it pepper dem soap. I'm going to place the picture on the screen so that you know the soap I'm talking about. Guys, this pepper dem soap is also a good soap, okay? So many people add it in their molato soap. You can also add it into your black soap, because this pepper dem soap is a soap booster. It's a soap that when you add it, when you are making a soap and you add it into your soap, it's going to give that your soap that whitening effect you need, okay? So this pepper dem soap, it comes in different colors. It comes in yellow. So guys, this pepper dem soap, it comes in so many colors. It comes in yellow color, it comes in orange color, it comes in green color, it comes in milk white color, and it also comes in multicolor. Like you'll see that in one full bucket, you see that the soaps comes in multiple colors, okay, but it's still the same pepper than soap. But only the difference is that each of the colors has its benefits to the skin. Each of the colors has what it does in your skin. If you want to use this pepper than soap, I'm going to show you what the colors does, and with what I'm going to say, you'll be able to choose what you're targeting in your skin, okay, and then know the actual color you are going to add to your soap. Keep watching. So guys, the milk color is for milky skin. Hi guys, we have the green color of this pepper than soap. We have the green color. This green color pepper than soap targets stretch mark. So if you want to make a soap for stretch mark, then go for the green color, okay. If you want to make your black soap now and you want your main target is stretch mark, then go for this green color, okay, because basically it's targeting stretch mark. The yellow pepper than soap. Now this yellow pepper than soap is targeting your knuckles, your dark knuckles. If you have dark knuckles, or you have burn, you have bleached skin, you want to repair your skin, then you go for the yellow one. That is the main work of this yellow pepper than soap, okay. Now the last color I'm going to be reviewing for you is the orange color pepper than soap. Now I'm going to tell you what the orange color does to your skin. Now this orange color pepper than soap is super good for whitening. You want to whiten your skin, you want to glow your skin, you're making a caramel black soap, you're making a toning black soap, you're making a half cast black soap, then go for the orange color one because it's targeting whitening. It's going to whiten your skin depending on your current shade, okay. So guys, I'm done reviewing this pepper than soap. If you want to make a black soap, it's either you add cottage fresh or you add pepper than soap into your black soap, okay. And trust me, when you do this, you come back to this channel with a review. Don't forget to bring your Thanksgiving offering, okay. So guys, we have the multicolor pepper than soap. Now this is the original pepper than soap. It covers the multiple colors, and that multiple colors consist of all the colors I just mentioned now. And this one is a blast. Like, it's very, very effective because it contains the milky, it contains the green, the orange, all the ones that all these colors is going to give you. Now check it, this is what the multicolor is going to give you. So if you're thinking of that, if you're targeting so many things in your skin, like you're targeting stretch mark, you're targeting to whiten, you're targeting to clear pimples, you're targeting so many things, then go for multicolor, okay. Now the next soap you can add into your black soap to boost the effectiveness is Ghana white soap. I'm going to place the picture of the screen. So this soap is made with palm kernel oil, coconut oil and butter. Oh, this soap comes in bottles, it's molded and it's white in color. So many people, it comes in different colors. This Ghana white board, it comes in different colors. So many people add it to their black soap to act as a foam booster, okay. If you want your black soap to lather very well, it will act as a foam booster to your black soap. This soap is very mild on the skin, okay. So if you want to increase the lightening effect and the whitening effect of your black soap, consider adding this soap into your black soap, okay. So let's move over to the next soap you can add into your black soap to boost effectiveness. Keep watching. The next soap, guys, is the 3 days Ghana white and green balls, okay. You can call it green balls. This soap comes in tiny balls. You can see it in tiny balls. They will put it inside a nylon, okay. This soap works so well for stretch mark. If you're targeting stretch mark, this soap is very, very good. It's also going to lighten you, okay. This Ghana white and green balls, you can use it to make your molato soap. This soap is very, very good. Just add maybe 3, 5 or 4 of these balls into your soap, okay. Bear in mind that whatever quantity you add into your soap depends on the quantity of black soap you are making, okay. So be careful to know the correct quantity you'll be adding to your soap, because the more these green balls inside your black soap, the more active your black soap is going to be, okay. Hope you're understanding what I'm saying. If you're not understanding, drop a comment in the comment section, okay. Guys, let's move over to the next soap you can add into your black soap. And the next soap is anti-pimples bars, okay. Just like the name, I don't know if I should explain more, because the name I've already explained it. Okay, let me still explain. This soap is targeting pimples. Okay, if you have pimples, if you have upcoming pimples, or you have legend pimples that don't want to go away, this soap is very very good. Okay, it's targeting pimples on your face. So if you want to make a pimple black soap, consider adding this anti-pimples balls into your soap. I'm going to place a picture on the screen so that you will know what it looks like. Okay, this soap is very very good. If I want to make a pimple black soap for a client, what I usually add this soap into it, and guys, trust me, the end result is always wow. Okay, so consider adding this soap into your black soap. If you have pimples that follow you around like your guardian angel, then consider adding this soap into your black soap. Okay, so let's move over to the next soap you can add into your black soap. You should consider adding into your black soap is ozone soap. This ozone soap usually comes in colors. It comes in colors pink, blue, yellow, mention it. It comes in colors, and these colors now has their different works on the skin. It targets different things of this on the skin. Okay, so I've talked about this ozone soap in a video. I'm going to drop the link in the description box so you go and watch it and know everything about this ozone soap and how to use it in your soap to achieve whatever your result you want. Okay, so this ozone soap targets so many different skin, so many different problems on the skin. Okay, and it has different colors. We have the blue, which is for exfoliating. If you want to exfoliate your skin, the blue is very very good. If you want to make a very good exfoliating soap, then consider adding the blue inside your soap. But if you want to make a whitening soap, then you should consider adding the pink inside your soap, because this is very very active in whitening. Okay, and so many people use this soap as a color changer. Yes, so many people use it as a color changer. If you want to change if you want to change your black soap to another color, you don't want your black soap to be that brown color after making it, then consider adding this ozone soap into your black soap. You can choose whatever color you want. You can choose the pink, you can choose the white, you can choose the yellow, you can choose whatever color you have. Okay, I'm not going to be talking much about this ozone soap because I've already talked about it in my other video, so go and watch that video after watching this video. Okay, so this ozone soap is very good, very very good. Okay, I've made a black soap and a whitening black soap, and this ozone soap is part of the receipt. Okay, so you should consider going to watch that video. Okay, now let's move over to the last but not the least soap you can add into your black soap, which is Kampala soap. I'm going to place the picture on the screen. This Kampala soap targets, if you have a bleached skin, if you have bleached your skin very very well, then consider adding the soap into your black soap. Okay, this Kampala soap is a repairer soap. It will repair your skin. So if you are targeting a repair soap, if you want to make a repair soap now, they're adding Kampala soap into your soap. Okay, this soap is very very good. Trust me, I've used this soap and I can testify to it. Okay, if you want to repair your bleached skin, you want to clear burns, sunburn, or whatever, consider adding this Kampala soap into your black soap. Okay, and you come back to this channel with your review. Okay guys, I hope I've been able to explain better. This is the soap, so I'm going to stop here. All the soap I just mentioned are the soaps I can just tell you right now to use. Okay, that doesn't have any side effect, or if you want me to go advanced, you want me to throw more light on this video, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so many of you don't comment, which is very very bad, because you might miss your opportunity to gain anything in this channel. Trust me, show appreciation to me by subscribing to my channel. Okay, and you turn on the notification bell beside it, so that each time I post an updated receipt in this channel, you will get a message. You'll be the first to get a message. Okay, that is just the importance of it, and you will come to watch and learn. Okay, And please, one last thing, I want to ask you guys to watch my ads to the end, okay? Please don't skip my ad, okay? Because if you want me to earn more and make more good videos, drop more good receipts for you guys, please watch my ads to the end. This is very, very important, okay? And if you love me, please do it for me. Press the like button in this video, okay? Thumbs up, and press the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so that each time I post on this channel, you will get notified, okay? Guys, thank you guys for the love you show me on this channel, okay? Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. I'm not going to tell you what it's going to be, so stick around so that anytime I post it, you will get notified, okay? See you guys on my next video. I love you.